Tired of your Gmail emails looking boring with default black text? Change the text color permanently in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Gmail settings, then find the default text style option, and finally pick your new color. Let's go.
Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Scroll down to the Default Text Style section. Click on the text color icon. It looks like an underlined letter A. Then, pick the color you prefer from the palette. Once you've chosen, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, when you compose a new email, your text will automatically appear in the color you selected. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.